Today, I'm going to show you how to delete an Aternos server. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Next, type in Aternos or eternews.com in the address bar and hit enter. Click the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the Aternos homepage. Now, look for the small blue button in the bottom right corner and click on it. This button will take you to the server list page. Now click on Servers, located at the top right corner. Find the server you want to delete and click the small pencil icon in the right-hand corner. A red bin icon will appear. Click on this icon. You will get a message asking you to confirm if you want to delete the server. Just press Yes. And there you have it. Your server is now deleted. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.